In this question, we are given a wooden toy rocket which is in the shape of a cone mounted on cylinder. As you can see in the figure, this 13.8, and height of the entire rocket is given as 26. Well, you can see from here till here till here, it's 6 centimeters, and total height is 26 centimeters, and the base of conical portion is having a diameter of 5 centimeters, while the base of diameter cylinder is 3 centimeters. So that means from here till here it's just 3 centimeters, whereas from here till here it's 5. And the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion yellow, and we are asked to find the area of rocket painted with each of these colors. So with yellow you'll paint only the with yellow what you'll only paint the cylindrical portion. So cylindrical portion, which means I'll paint from here till down and plus base also. So I'll get painted yellow surface area is equal to this side surface area of cylinder, which will be 2 pi r into height of the cylindrical part, which will be 26 minus 6. So that is simply 20. And next one is plus base also, that is pi r square. So this will become simply equal to 2 pi into pi is simply 3.14 as given here, into r, radius is 3 by 2, as diameter is given as 3, into 20 plus 3.14 into r square is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now this will be equal to this 2 get cancelled. 3 into 20 is 60, so 3.14 if I take common, this will become 60 plus 9 by 4 is 2.25. so this is simply 3.14 into 62.25. this putting aside, next we need to find the surface, something which is to be painted orange. So what part will be painted orange? So this part plus the base part, but minus the area of this cylindrical surface, because why I am telling that is, here where the base is connected, half of the part is the area of this part. So this part is simply the cylinder's part, and we have to paint the remaining area only. So remaining area will be pi into 5 by 2 square minus pi into 3 by 2 square. So this is the base area, plus we also have to know the curved surface area of cone. So this whole thing will become painted orange surface area is equal to this curved surface area of this thing will become, if we say this is L and this is capital R by capital 2R, 2 twice the radius, then this will become pi r into L plus pi into capital R square minus small r square. Just as I said, this is capital R square minus small r square. So this will become 3.14 if I take common. This is actual capital R. Capital R is simply 5 by 2 into L will become, so what is L? L is simply, if I take this as a right angle triangle, this is height h, this is r by capital R, so L is equal to square root of h square plus capital R square, which will be equal to square root of 6 square plus 5 by 2 square. So that will be simply equal to, as you can see, this will be 6 square is 36 plus 25 by 4, something like that. So calculations we can always do later. 36 plus 25 by 4 plus pi into, so this I will put aside, pi into 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4 minus 3 by 2 square minus 19 9 by 4. So this whole thing will become, it's just a calculation part now, because you basically understood what I am doing. So the square root of this is 144 plus 25 whole by 4 plus pi into 16 by 4. This is simply 4. This is square root of 144 plus 25 is 169. So this is square root of 169 by 4. That will become simply, this whole thing is equal to 3.14 into 5 by 2 into, that is square root of 169 by 4 is simply 13 by 2 plus pi into 4. That is 3.14. If I take common, this thing will become 5 into 65 by 4 plus 4, which will be 3.14 into 65 by 4 is simply 13.25 plus 4, that is 3.14 into 17.25. Remaining is just the multiplication. You can use calculator to find it. So this will be actually it's 15.25. so this is into 16.25, sorry, this is 16.25, so this is into 20.25.